you all, hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you unbiased review on leastsport.com. So if you are curious to know about this website, watch the video till the end, because this unbiased review will help you to decide either you should buy anything from this store or not. Like if you are searching for online sports goods at reasonable prices, leastsport.com is the best solution for your need. The website showcases various sports equipment like an electric bike, electric surfboard, and many other pieces of equipment. But before making any online shopping, you must know the legitimacy of the online portal. So let's check out this details of leadsports.com. It is HTTPS secured website, but they have not provided any contact details on their official page. Wherever they have mentioned the email address, which is not matching the domain name, and it is not a good sign. No return and exchange policy available, which may result in customer harassment of defective product. Moreover, there is no registered email address of the website. As far as about us section is concerned, it is vague and no useful information about the owner of the site is there. There is no sign up icon on the website, but icon tab is present in the upper right corner. Moreover, the payment detail is incomplete, as there is no detail that for the debit and credit card payment. So advantages of using this website are: you will get information about high range sports equipment. The website has a valid SSL certificate. The website has maintained the HTTPS protocol. The disadvantages of using the website are: LeastSport is newly created and has an Alexa ranking of poor. Website is poorly designed and lack of social media handles. The email address looks suspicious. The website has lower customer reach and lacks genuine reviews with the trust score below 8%, and the question lies or it's a trap. So as far as feedbacks of the customer are concerned, and we all know that genuine customer feedback is most important to review before investing any particular product, as the website is newly created and has low customer base. So like on information which we have discussed with you, and the available reviews are negative, so it isn't easy to find out positive review. In addition, many of the reviewers have mentioned it is a scam and the website is involved in fraudulent activity. So in our final verdict, we can say that the website looks as a scam wanting to trap buyers by offering such huge discount. The customer reviews are negative and shallow popularity. So we suggest you as our viewer to must be aware of this website, as the site looks highly suspicious, and we recommend you to stay away from this website. So by the end you may not lose your money. And if you have any experience of shopping from LeastSport, please do share your personal experience with us. We love to hear from you.